Good morning. I am Nishmitayam. In today's class, we can discuss about the straight lines. So first, we can move on to the what you mean by straight line. A straight line, a straight line is just a line with no curves. So a line that extends to the both side to infinity and has no curves is called as the straight line. So straight line ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? It is just a line which has no curves. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ರೆ that is called as the straight lines. We can extend that straight line in the both the sides up to the infinity. So now they given it as, so if you have the 2 points, if you name it as A and B, A with the points x1 and y1 and B with x2 and y2 are connected by a shortest distance. So now this will form a straight line. So now straight line is nothing but it is just a line which has no curves. So now if you have the 2 points, then it is joined by a line. This line is called as the straight line. We can extend the straight line on the both the sides up to the infinite. So now some of the examples are we can see in day-to-day life, such as railway tracks, roads and bridges. So these are some of the examples we can see the straight lines in our day-to-day life. So the next topic, it is a slope of a straight line. What do you mean by slope? So now if a straight line makes an angle theta with the positive direction of the x-axis, then theta is called the inclination and the tangent angle is called as, tangent angle is nothing but tan theta, that is called as the slope or gradient of the line. So now if we have the straight line, if that straight line makes an angle theta, that angle theta is called as the inclination and tan of that theta, that is tangent angle, is called as the slope of a line. So now generally slope of the line is denoted by the symbol small m. It is denoted by small m. Therefore the slope of a line, it is given it as tan theta. Tan is nothing but it is a tangent angle. So tan is nothing but it is a trigonometric ratio, tan theta. So where theta is nothing but it is a inclination angle. So for a given straight line with the positive x-axis, we can make an angle theta. So now using theta, we can find the slope. Slope is nothing but it is tan theta. So now we can see one example here. If a line is inclined 8 to 45 degree with the x-axis, find its slope. So now in the question what they given, inclined angle they given. Inclined angle is nothing but theta. They given theta as 45 degree. We have to find the slope. Slope is nothing but tan theta. So now m is equal to tan of theta is nothing but 45 degree. Tan 45 it is 1. Therefore slope of a line it is 1. Understood everyone? So now they given the theta, that is inclination angle they given 45. We have to find the slope. Slope is nothing but it is the tan theta, that is tan of 45. Tan 45 it is 1. Therefore slope value it is 1. So now we can see the another example here. Find the slope of the straight line whose inclination is 5 by 6 radian with x-axis. So now they given in radian, that is 5 by 6 radian. How to convert this into a degree? So now pi is nothing but 180, that is 180 by 6, that is 180 by 6 is nothing but 6 ones are 6 30s are, that is 30 degree. So now the inclination angle it is 30 degree. 5 by 6 ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಹೌ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್? ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ದಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಪೈ. ಪೈ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 180. 180 by 6, it is 30 degree. After that, we have to find the slope. Slope is nothing but tan theta. Tan theta is nothing but tan of 30 degree. Tan 30 degree, it is 1 by root 3. Tan 30, it is 1 by root 3. So now the procedure it is, first you need to convert the radian into a degree. How to convert? You need to substitute the value of pi. Pi is nothing but 180 degree, 180 by 6, it is 30. Therefore, slope it is tan theta, tan 30, you will get it as 1 by root 3. Therefore, we can say that slope is nothing but 1 by root 3. So now there are some of the notes here which is useful for you in your examinations. So now slope, we will get it as positive if the theta is a acute angle. Acute angle is nothing between angle which lies between 0 and 90 degree. 0 ಮತ್ತೆ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯ ಮಿಡ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂಥ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ಲೋಪು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Slope is negative when theta is a obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is nothing but angle which lies between 90 and 180. So if the angle it is acute, then we can get the slope positive. If the angle it is obtuse, we can get the slope as negative. And then if the angle is 0 degree, then we can get the slope as 0. 0 degree is nothing but which is a line parallel to the x-axis only, such that you have the one line and the another line. The two lines will not meet, and the two lines we have the degree. So there is no degree, it is called as 0 degree. So when the degree is same, when the degree is 0, that is theta is 0, we will get the slope as a 0. So if the theta is 90 degree, 90 degree is nothing but it is a perpendicular. It is a perpendicular. So if the perpendicular, then the slope is infinite. So from this we can conclude that slope is positive when theta is acute. Slope is negative when theta is obtuse. Slope is 0 when theta is 0. Slope is infinite when theta is 90 degree. Slope is infinite when theta is 90 degree. And if you have the two parallel lines, then the slope of that two parallel lines will be same. Slope of a parallel lines are same. That is nothing but if you have the two parallel lines, then the slope of that two lines also same. And slope of the two perpendicular lines are product of the slope L1 and L2. So where L1 is nothing but it is the slope of the first one, L2 it is the slope of the second line. Then the product of these two. Product means if you multiply the slope of the two lines, perpendicular lines, then you should get it as -1. So for example, if you get the slope of the first line as m1 and slope of the second line as m2, then m1 into m2 you will get it as -1. And if you have slope of a non-vertical line passing through two distinct points we are given it as x1 y1 and x2 y2. Then slope of the line is nothing but y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. If the line is passing through two distinct points, we are naming that two distinct points as x1 y1 and x2 y2. Then slope is nothing but y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So now from the last note we conclude that slope will be positive if the angle is an acute angle. Slope is negative if the angle it is obtuse angle, and slope is 0 if the angle is 0, and the slope is infinity if theta is 90 degree. Then slope of the two parallel lines are same. Then product of the slope of the two perpendicular lines should be -1, And if the line is passing through two distinct points, if you name it as x1 y1 and x2 y2, then slope of the line it is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So now using this we can see some of the examples. So now I have given here the inclination angle and the slope values. So this will helpful for you to solve the problems there. So if the angle is 0, then the slope it is 0. How to find the slope? That is tan theta, right? Tan of 0 it is 0. Then if the angle is 30 degree, then slope it is 1 by root 3. If the angle is 45 degree, then the slope is 1. If it is 60 degree, then it is root 3. If it is 90, it is infinity. It is 120, then the value of slope it is minus root 3. If for 135 it is minus 1. For 150 degree it is minus 1 by root 3. For 180 degree it is 0. So you can observe the application of the note here. For 0 degree slope it is 0. So now 30, 45, 60 it is acute angle, right? For acute angle slope value it is positive. For 90 degree it is infinity. For obtuse angle that is 120, 135, 150 that is the value it is negative. Are you observed here? So these values you should know to solve the problems. That is for 0, 0, 30 it is 1 by root 3, 45 it is 1, for 60 root 3, for 90 it is infinity, for 120 degree it is minus root 3, 135 it is minus 1, 150 degree it is minus 1 by root 3, for 180 degree it is 0. So if you want, you can take the values so that it will be useful for you to solve the problems. So everyone completed this one. Can we move on to the next slide? Yeah, fine. So next we have the problem here. So now find the slope of the line joining the 2 points, that is 2 comma 5 and minus 3 comma 4. So now they given the 2 points, we have to find the slope. So now how to find the slope? Formula it is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So now the given points you have to take it as x1 y1 x2 y2. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So therefore the value of x1 it is 2, x2 it is minus 3, y1 it is 5, y2 it is 4. So now slope is nothing but y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. That is nothing but, substitute the values of y2 here, 4 minus 5 divided by minus 3 minus 2. 4 minus 5 is nothing but minus 1. So the negative sign is because it is a big number sign. So next minus 3 minus 2. Then you should add 3 plus 2 it is 5. Sign should be big number. So then minus and minus get cancelled. Therefore the slope value you will get it as 1 by 5. So everyone cleared this problem? Having any doubt here? So if you want, you can take down. So shall we move on to the next one? Yeah, okay, fine. So now in the second problem they given it as the slope of the line joining x comma 3 and 2 comma 5 is 2. Then find the value of x. So now they given the slope is 2 and they given the two values x1 y1 x2 y2. We have to find the value of x. So now in first you should write the given part what they given slope is 2. How to find the slope? Write the formula that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 is equal to 2. So now y2 is nothing but it is 5 minus y1 is nothing but it is 3, x2 it is 2, x1 they given it as x only. That is 5 minus 3 divided by 2 minus x is equal to 2. So then 5 minus 3 is nothing but 2. On cross multiplication you will get it as 2 into this term that is 2 minus x. So now multiplying here what will get 2 into 2 it is 4 minus 2 into x it is 2x. So now on solving 2, 4 ikkade bandre enagutte minus 4 is equal to minus 2x. That is nothing but minus 2 is equal to minus 2x. So now x is nothing but minus 2 divided by minus 2. On cancelling you will get the value as 1. Therefore the x value it is 1. So now in this problem they given the slope and we need to find the value of x. So we know the formula to find the slope. Apply that and the slope value they given. So then on substituting and cross multiplication, finally by solving we will get it as x is equal to 1. So any doubt in this problem anyone? So shall we move on to the next one? So
Yes,
everyone
ma'am.
understood this problem, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you have any doubt, you can ask in this problem or before.
Repeat once again.
Do you have any doubt? Anyone? So if you don't have any doubt, so then unmute yourself. So next question. Find the slope of the line parallel to the line joining the points 2, comma 3 and 4, 4, minus 1. So now they given it as we need to find the slope of the line parallel to the line which is joining by the points 2, 3 and 4, minus 1. First we are finding the slope of the line which they given that is x1 value 2, x2 it is 4, y1 it is 3, y2 it is minus 1 because the points they given in the form of x1, y1, x2 and y2. So now slope is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. On substituting what we will get? Minus 1 minus 3 divided by 4 minus 2. So now it is minus minus is nothing but you should add 1 plus 3 it is 4 and the sign it is the big number minus 4 divided by 4 minus 2 that is 2. That is 2 ones are 2 twos are. Therefore the slope will be minus 2. So from the note we know that the slope of the parallel lines are equal. Therefore, we can say that slope of the parallel lines it is same, that is minus 2. It is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone? So next topic we have it is the intercepts of a straight line. So now first we can discuss what you mean by intercept. Intercept is nothing but the point where the line or the curve crosses the axis of a graph. So now the point where the line meets the axis. Axis is nothing but it may be x or y. So now the point where the line or curve crosses the axis of the graph is called as intercept. ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ವೈ ಅನ್ನ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ದಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇಫ್ ಎ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕ್ರಾಸಸ್ ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ axis then it is called as the x-intercept. If a point crosses the x-axis then it is called as x-intercept. If a point crosses the y-axis then it is called as y-intercept. ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಅದೇ ವೈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ವೈ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. So now the overall meaning of the intercept of a line is that point at which it intersects either the x-axis or the y-axis. ಲೈನ್ ಒಂದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ವೈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಅದೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಂತೇವೆ. ಅದೇನಾದ್ರೂ ವೈ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ವೈ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್.
Yes, ma'am.
So next we have intercept of a straight line. So now intercept of a straight line is given by the formula x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So you should know the equation. So the intercept form of a straight line it is given by x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So where a it is called as the x-intercept, b it is called as the y-intercept. A is nothing but x-intercept, b is nothing but y-intercept. So now x-intercept is nothing but point at which line meets the x-axis. Y-intercept andre y-axis anna meet aguanta point. So it is clear till here. So next we can discuss about the equation of a straight line. Straight line equation it is a linear equation. It is always a linear equation. So now the general form of a straight line, it is given by ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are the constant numbers. General form of a straight line, it is given by ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So if a, b and c are not equal to 0, then we have the formula to find the slope, x-intercept and y-intercept. Slope of a line is given by minus a by b. So now a, it is nothing but it is the coefficient of x, b is nothing but it is the coefficient of y. So you should remember this formula. So if they given the equation, so if they ask to find the slope, then the formula it is minus a by b. First, you should write the equation in the general form. That is, it should be in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then you should write the values of a, b and c and then substitute here. Then you will get the slope of a line. Slope of a line, it is minus a by b. So next, x-intercept is nothing but minus c by a. Minus c by a, where c it is nothing but it is a constant term, a it is nothing but it is the coefficient of x, is not y, coefficient of x. And then y-intercept is nothing but it is minus c by b, that is c is nothing but it is a constant term, b is nothing but it is a coefficient of y. So now if they given the equation of a line, then how to find the slope? Slope is nothing but minus a by b. X-intercept it is minus c by a. Y-intercept it is minus c by b. You should know all these three formulas to solve the problems. So can you take down these formulas? Slope, x-intercept and y-intercept. So is it clear? Can we move on to the next? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So that you should remember, okay? Slope, intercept and y-intercept. You should know. Slope is nothing but minus a by b. X-intercept minus c by a. Y-intercept it is minus c by b. The general equation of line it is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, slope formula is there, right, ma'am?
Yeah.
That equation is for intercept of a straight line, ma'am.
No, if in the question they given the equation of a straight line, so then you should use
Yes,
this
ma'am.
formula. So if they given the angle, so then you should use the m is equal to tan theta. It is clear. So if they given the points, then you should use that formula, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus
Yes, ma'am.
x1. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Others having any doubt? So next, I have given one example here. Find the slope of the line 3x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. So now this is the equation of a line I have given. So now this is in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, right? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then I am writing the values of a is nothing but comparing. A is nothing but 3, b is nothing but minus 4, c is nothing but 8. So now slope formula it is minus a by b. Minus a by b. So now substituting minus a value it is 3 divided by b value it is minus 4. Minus 3 by minus 4 is nothing but on cancelling minus sign 3 by 4 it is the slope. So it is cleared now. So if they given the equation of a line, then you should use the formula as minus a by b. When we are writing a, b and c, you should write the values with the sign. So now a value it is 3. So if there is no sign, it is understood that it is positive. So 3. B is nothing but it is minus 4. C is nothing but 8. Therefore, slope it is minus 3 by minus 4. Minus and minus get cancelled. Therefore, slope it is 3 by 4. So it is clear. Shall we move on the next slide? So now second problem I have given it as find the x-intercept and y-intercept of the straight line, that is 6x minus 3y plus 9 is equal to 0. So now this is the equation they given. So now this is of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. After that I am writing the values of a is nothing but 6, b is nothing but minus 3, c value it is 9. So now to find the x-intercept formula it is minus c by a. Minus c by a is nothing but minus c value it is 9 divided by 6. So now on cancelling 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So the x-intercept it is minus 3 by 2. And y-intercept it is minus c by b, that is minus 9 by minus 3. 3 1s are 3 3s are, sign will be cancelled. Answer it is 3. You should know the formula to find the x-intercept and y-intercept. So it is cleared. Any doubt in this one? So the next question it is, find the slope of a line which is perpendicular to 5x plus 6y plus 8 is equal to 0. We have to find the slope of a line. That line it is perpendicular to this line, right? So now here a value it is 5, b value it is 6, c value it is 8. So now slope of a line. So this line I am taking it as slope as m1. That is minus a by b, that is nothing but minus 5 by 6. Right, that is minus 5 by 6. So from the note we know that product of the slope of the two perpendicular line it is minus 1. So now first the slope of the first line I am considering it as m1 and the perpendicular to this line I am taking it as m2. The product should be equal to minus 1. So now next I have to find the value of m2. So now substituting the value of m1, that is minus 5 by 6 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So now m2 is nothing but minus 1. So if you take minus 5 by 6 to this side, this will become it as 6 by minus 5. So now substituting, what will get, minus and minus get cancelled. 6 1s are 6. 6 by 5. Therefore, slope of the perpendicular line it is 6 by 5. Right. So now if you multiply this m1 and m2, you will get it as minus 1. So clear this problem. So if you want to take down, you can take down the problem.
-1 ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
So now this is one condition, okay? The product of two perpendicular lines should be minus 1. So in the beginning in the note, I have given that one, right? So now slope of the two perpendicular lines should be minus 1. So now this is one standard condition. So now using this condition, we are finding the value of m2. It's okay?
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅದು -1 ಹೆಂಗ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ?
Ilya?
ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು -1 into 6 ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
So now this is nothing but minus 5 by 6 into m2 is equal to minus 1, right? So then we have to find the value of m2. m2 is nothing but minus 1 into, so now I have to take this minus 5 by 6 to the this side, right? If I take this to the ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆಗೆ ತಂದಾಗ ಇದು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೀತೇವೆ ನಾವು, ಹೌದಾ? That is nothing but minus 1 into, you will get it as 6 by minus 5.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Yeah. So if you multiply 6 into minus 1, that is minus 6 divided by minus 5. So cancelling negative sign, you will get it as 6 by 5. So any questions are there? Shall we move on to the next? So the next topic, it is a slope-intercept form of a straight line. So now in this form, they can give the slope and they can give the intercept. Using that, you need to find the equation of a straight line. So now the slope, it is denoted by m, and so particularly we are taking here y-intercept. Y-intercept, it is given by c. So then the equation of a line, it is y is equal to mx plus c. So this equation you should remember, y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c is nothing but it is the slope-intercept form of a straight line. So that you can get the questions from this part such that they can give the slope value and they can give the intercept value. You should find the equation. You should find the equation is nothing but in this equation you need to substitute the values of m and c. Then you will get the equation of the line. So it is clear. This equation you should know. Y is equal to mx plus c. This is called as slope-intercept form. So it is fine. Y is equal to mx plus c. And then we can see, so one problem using this one. So now see here, they given it as find the equation of a straight line having the y-intercept is minus 4 and the slope it is 2 by 3. So they given the intercept, that is y-intercept, we are writing that as C, that value it is -4, and slope it is m, they given it as 2/3. So now the slope intercept form, we have the formula that is y is equal to mx plus c. On substituting, what we'll get? Y is equal to 2/3 into x plus c is nothing but -4. So now taking -4 to this side, what we'll get? Y plus 4 is equal to 2/3 into x. So now on cross multiply, what you will get? Y plus 4 into 3 is equal to 2x. So now this is nothing but 3 into y, 3y, plus 4 into 3, that is 12, is equal to 2x. So now this is nothing but 2x minus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0 is the equation of a line. So once go through this problem, if you find any doubt, you can ask. Yeah, so now they given it as intercept value. Intercept value ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ -4 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Slope value ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 2/3. So now slope intercept form ನಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಏನದು y is equal to mx plus c. So now substituting in this one, you will get it as y is equal to m ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ 2/3 into x plus c value it is -4. ಈ -4 ಅನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ y plus 4 is equal to 2/3 into x. 3 ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೋಬರೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ರೈಟ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ y plus 3 into 3 is equal to 2 into x. 3 ಅನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು 3y plus 12 is equal to 2x. That is 2x, 3y ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ -3y, 12 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ -12 is equal to 0 is the equation of a line. So it is clear now? Yeah. So next topic it is slope point form of a straight line. So in the previous we studied about the slope and intercept. Now it is slope and point. So now slope of the line, it is denoted by the symbol m, and the point we are taking it as x1 and y1. And x and y, it is the general point on the straight line. So now then the equation it is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is called as the slope point form. You should know this equation, that is y minus y1 should equal to m into x minus x1. This is the equation for the slope point form. So can you take down this one? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So if in the question they can give the slope and they can give the point x1 y1, then we have to find the equation of a line using this formula. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x. So if you finish this one, we can move. Everyone take down this one. Slope point form. So next I have given one example using this form. You can see that one. So now this is the example that I given. Find the equation of a straight line passing through the point minus 2, 3 and having the slope as 3. So now they given the point, that point we are taking it as x1, y1 and the slope we are given it as 3. So now from the slope point form we have, so this is the general form, right? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So now in the place of y1, x1 and m, we need to substitute the given values. That is nothing but y minus y1 andre ಏನಿದೆ 3, y minus 3 is equal to m value it is 3, 3 into x minus, so the x1 value it is minus 2. So now this is nothing but y minus 3 is equal to 3x minus into minus it is plus 2. So now it is y minus 3 is equal to 3 into x, that is 3x plus 3 into 2 it is 6. So now 3x plus 6 ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೋ ಬಂದ್ರೆ minus y minus 3 ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೋ ಬಂದ್ರೆ plus 3 is equal to 0. So now that is nothing but 3x minus y plus 6 plus 3 ಏನಾಯಿತು plus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore 3x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0 is the equation of a straight line. So once everyone go through the problem, if you find any doubt you can ask here. Once more. Yeah. So if in the question they given it as we have to find the equation of a straight line. So if they given one point and one slope, then we have to use the slope point form. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದನ್ನ ಏನು ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, x1 and y1. x1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ 2, y1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ 3 and slope value ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 3. Substituting in the formula, that is now this is the standard equation you will get, right? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 andre ಏನಿದೆ 3 is equal to m value 3 into x minus x1 value you will get it as minus 2. So now this is y minus 3 is equal to 3 into x into minus it is plus 2. That is y minus 3 is equal to 3 into x, that is 3x plus 3 into 2 it is 6. So now that is 3x plus 6 minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದೇವೆ. That is minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. That is nothing but 3x minus y, 6 plus 3 it is 9 is equal to 0. So now this is called as the equation of a straight line. That is 3x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. So it is cleared. Shall we move on to the next one? So now can you find the difference between slope intercept form and slope point form? So you need to observe in the question, if they given the slope and intercept, then you have to use y is equal to mx plus c. If they given the slope and the point, then you have to use this formula, that is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So next we have a 2-point form of a straight line. 2-point form of a straight line is nothing but you will have the 2 points and x and y it is the general form. Then the equation of a line is given by. So let x1 and y1 and x2 and y2 be the 2 points such that equation of a line passing through these points is given by the formula y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. where x and y is the general point on the line. So if they given the 2 points and asked to find the equation of a line, then the formula it is y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So take down this form. So next we can see one example using this formula. So if you finish, you can tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Over, ma'am.
Completed? Yeah. So next question it is, find the equation of a line joining the points 2 comma minus 3 and 5 comma 4. So now they given the 2 points, we have to find the equation. Okay. So now this point it is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So then from the 2-point form we have y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So now substituting y minus the value of y1 it is minus 3 divided by x minus x1 value it is 2 is equal to y2 value it is 4 minus of minus 3, next 5 minus 2. So next what you will get, y minus into minus it is plus, that is y plus 3 is equal to, this value it is 4 minus into minus it is plus 3, 4 plus 3 it is 7 divided by 5 minus 2 that is 3. So now this one we are multiplying here, that is we are doing the cross multiplication. What you will get, y plus 3 is equal to 7 by 3 into this one, that is x minus 2. So now next we are taking this 3 to the this side, then it is y plus 3 into 3 is equal to 7 into x, that is 7x, minus 7 into 2, that is 14. So then this one we will get it as 3 into y, 3y, 3 into 3 it is 9. That is 7x minus 14 minus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0. That is 7x minus 3y minus 14 minus 9 is nothing but minus in minus, we should add 14 plus 9, you should get it as 23. Sign should be big number, that is minus 23 is equal to 0 is the equation of a line. So one solve by yourself everyone.
Yes, ma'am. Over, ma'am.
Yeah. Others? So now, having any doubt in this question or any step? Anyone?
Nothing, ma'am.
So next, can you recall all the topics that we completed today? So first we discuss about the straight line and then we go for the slope, right? So if the angle given, how to find the slope? So if the angle is theta, then slope is nothing but tan theta, right? And then if they given the 2 points, then the slope is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. I am just recalling all the formulas because I have given some questions for you next. For that, you should solve all those questions. Therefore. So
Okay,
next
ma'am.
we discuss about intercept. So if they given the general equation as ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then slope is given by minus a by b. X-intercept it is given by c by minus c by a, and y-intercept it is given by minus c by b. And if they given this slope and intercept, then this slope intercept form it is y is equal to mx plus c. And if they given the slope and the point, then the slope point form it is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. And then if they given the 2 points, then the 2 point form it is given by y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So once everyone go through all the topics once, so then I will display the questions so that you need to answer for that. Or if you have any doubt also, you can ask.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ y is equal to mx plus c ಐತಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಅದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಅದು ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
Y is equal to mx plus c. Yeah?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಮತ್ತೆ y ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಆವಾಗ ನಾವು y is equal to mx plus c ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಲೈನ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸ್ಲೋಪ್
Okay.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. So they can give the slope and they can give the intercept. Then we are using y is equal to mx plus c.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ y ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ x ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು?
Same formula. So in general, they can give for y-intercept only. So they not ask for the x-intercept. Okay. So now this formula it is suitable for y-intercept only. So they will give only y is equal to mx plus c.
ಓಕೆ.
And then if the slope and 1 point given, then the formula it is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. And then 2 point formula. If they given the 2 points and the formula it is y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x. So next I will display the questions now. Shall I? Having any
Yes,
doubt?
ma'am.
So that everyone should answer, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So now first go for the first question. What is the slope of a line making an angle 120 degree with x-axis?
-1/√3.
minus
120 degree
root
of
3.
tan 120.
-√3, madam.
Minus
Yeah,
root 3.
minus root 3, ma'am.
Yeah. Everyone got the answer, same thing. So now they given the angle, you need to find the slope. For that, what we have to do? You have to find tan of 120 degree. Tan 120 is nothing but it is the minus root 3.
Root 3.
Minus root 3. So it is the obtuse angle, so that you should get the answer in negative. If you completed the first one, then solve the second one. So they given it as you should find the slope of a line making an angle of 5 pi
150
by
degree.
6 radian with the x-axis. First, you
150.
need to convert the radian into degree.
-150 degree.
Yeah, tan of 150 degree. How much tan 150?
Minus 1/√3.
Minus 1 by root 3. Yeah, good. So first convert this into a degree. That is 5 into 180 divided by 6. So that you will get 150. Then tan 150 is nothing but it is minus 1 by root 3. So everyone should answer, okay?
One, ma'am. Third answer.
Answer for third one it is 1. Yeah. For the third one, you should use the formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1.
One.
Yeah. Yeah, ಕೇಳಿ.
One, ma'am.
Answer fourth one is 4, madam. Answer.
Answer for third one it is 1. Answer for fourth one.
4, madam.
So it is 4 or minus 4?
-4, madam. -4.
Yeah. So for the third one, you will get it as 4 by 4. That is one answer. For the fourth one, it is slope they given it as 2 by 3. And the values they given x1, y1 and x2, y2. Substitute in the formula and then do the cross multiply. Then you will get the value of k.
Madam, fifth one is minus 3 by minus 4. Ma'am.
Minus 3 by minus 4. That is nothing but the sign will be cancelled. So you will get it as 3 by
3
4.
by 4.
Yeah. So everyone completed third one?
Yes, ma'am.
I think only 2 to 3 members are answering. Others?
Ma'am, third one answer -1 or +1.
Plus 1. Third one it is plus 1. 1. That is 1 minus of minus andre plus 3 agutte. 1 plus 3. 4 by 6 minus 2. 4. 4 and 4 can cancel. So you will get only 1.
Madam, sixth answer is x-intercept minus 3 by 2. Y-intercept is minus 3 by 5. Ma'am.
Minus 3 by 2 and minus 3 by 5. Yeah. So having any doubt in question number 4? Others? Have you got the answer?
-4. Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, seventh one, 5x minus y minus 15.
Yeah. 5x minus y minus 15 is equal to 0. Yeah, you will get. Eighth one. 2x minus 3y or 3x minus 2y. Check the answer of 8th another time. Are you solving others?
Ma'am, eighth one, 3x minus
3x
2y
minus
plus 4
2y. 3x minus
plus
2y
4.
minus 4 Adil.
3 by
Yeah.
Madam, can you tell me the formula for seventh one?
Seventh one, formula you want. So that is
Yes,
y
ma'am.
minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1.
Okay, thank you.
Ninth one, x minus y plus 5, right? X minus y plus y is equal to 0.
Ninth one, ma'am, x minus 5 plus x minus y plus 5 is equals to.
Yeah, it is correct. X minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. So others, are you solving? 10th one, 5x minus y minus 9. So 10th one, can you check another time? I think that is Mallika Arjuna. Yeah, 6x minus y minus 19 is equal to 0. Yeah. Gautam, that is correct. Others, have you finding any difficulty in solving any of the problems? You can ask, I will help you.
Ma'am, 10th one, 6x minus y minus 19 is equal.
Yeah, it is correct. Others, if you have any doubt in any questions or if you are finding to solve that problem, you can ask, I will help you.
Ma'am,
6x
can you tell me the ninth month formula,
minus
ma'am?
19, Rupa. So that you will get it as 6x minus y minus 19 is equal to 0 for the 10th one.
Ma'am, ninth month formula, can you tell me, ma'am?
So for the 9th one, they given the y-intercept directly, okay, 5 in the.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
they are not given the slope here. First you need to find the slope. So they given the
Slope
degree
is
as
1, ma'am.
45,
Yes, ma'am.
tan 45 that is 1. So
1.
therefore
Yes,
m
ma'am.
value it is 1.
1.
So the formula it is y is equal to mx plus c.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, ninth month answer is x minus y plus 5 equals to 0, right, ma'am?
Yeah, x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0.
Yes, ma'am.
Six x minus y minus 19 is equal to 0. Yeah, it is correct. So anyone finding any questions difficulty here? Others?
No, ma'am.
Yeah. Others, are you finding any difficulty in any questions? Third question, what are they? So you have a doubt?
Madam, is there any questions remain, ma'am?
Huh?
Is there any some questions remain?
No, I have given 10 questions here. So in these questions, if you have any doubt, you can ask. I have covered all those questions.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So any doubt or if you completed this one? Everyone? So or if you have any doubt in today's class, you can ask. I covered all the possible questions that may ask in this. So in today's class.
Madam, one doubt is, ma'am.
Yeah?
Ma'am, in ninth question,
Yeah.
they are given the angle, ma'am, 45 degree, right?
Yeah. So now they given the angle
Ma'am, if
so
they
that
give
using
radian, in
that
radians, ma'am.
angle you need to find the slope.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. If they given in radian, ma'am.
So if they given in the radian, you need to convert that into degree and then you need to find the slope.
Yes, ma'am.
So now answer for the fourth question, it is -4.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. -4.
So if you have any doubt, you can ask.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ದಿ ಲೈನ್ ಐತಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅದು
Yeah.
ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಟು ದಿ ಲೈನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅದೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
So if they given it as parallel to the line, the same answer. So if the two lines are parallel, so ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
M1 is equal to M2 ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Yeah, m1 is equal to m2.
ಓಕೆ.
Others? Others having any doubt?
Nothing, ma'am.
So any questions? So if you have any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, we can end the class.
Nothing, ma'am.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ 10th ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
So for the last one answer, it is 6x minus y minus 19 is equal to 0.
ಓಕೆ.